In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to Webflow from a quick Google search, open your project, and edit a rich text area with confidence. This walkthrough is perfect if you're new to Webflow or you just need a clear refresher on the basics. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Webflow and press Enter. Look for the official Webflow result. It's typically at the top and clearly labeled with the Webflow brand. Click that result to go straight to Webflow. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular Webflow login and continue. A quick tip here. Once you're in, consider bookmarking the Webflow dashboard so you can skip the search step next time. On the dashboard, find the project you want to work on. Each project has a card with quick actions. Click the option labeled View Site. This opens the project's live or staging site in a new tab. Viewing the site first helps you confirm where your content appears and how the page is structured before you make edits. If you ever feel unsure whether you're on the live site or inside the editor, remember that the live or staging site looks like a public web page, while the editor or designer includes panels and on-screen controls. Now, with the page context in mind, it's time to edit your content. Navigate to your project's editing environment and locate the rich text section you want to update. Click the rich text area once to select it, then double-click to enter editing mode. You'll see a text cursor appear inside the content, and a small formatting toolbar may show up nearby. From here, type directly to add or revise text. You can highlight words to apply formatting like bold, italics, or links, and you can turn lines into headings for better structure. Press Enter to start a new paragraph, or use Shift+Enter for a simple line break. If you make a mistake, use Undo with Command or Control+Z. When pasting from another document, it's often best to paste as plain text to avoid bringing over unwanted styles. If your rich text is powered by a content collection, you might notice indicators that changes are managed by the collection. That's normal. Just be mindful that the content may be tied to entries elsewhere. Webflow saves your work as you go, so you can focus on writing clearly and keeping your formatting consistent. And that's it. Search for Webflow, open your project's site view, then double-click the rich text to edit. Thanks for watching, and happy building.